Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today it's a quick one what I am using recently for my hair. At the moment I am in need to wash my hair. Last time I was shooting a video about Comfrey, borage and foxglove. You can check the link above whether you can see the difference, and when I was shooting this video I was actually reading more about Comfrey, and it's apparently very good for your hair and your skin, and I am really in need to wash my hair. And what I did, I harvested some comfrey leaves. I've got here some comfrey stored. I've got a little tiny bit of nettle as well, and I've got the wonderful calendula, and of course little tiny bit of nettle. I'm not sure whether you can see it, but I just been stung. I can't believe this tiny bit. But what I wanted to tell you, I'm gonna make hair rinse. I've been doing this for a couple of weeks, and I really notice my hair looks quite nice afterwards. They are quite fine, and you just see the difference if you know yourself. I just wanted to share this with you. Maybe if you've got a comfrey in your garden and you don't know what to do with it, you can try this. Basically, I'm gonna put boiling water over it, leave it to steep for a couple of minutes, and then I just strain it. I get rid of this. It will go to my compost, and I let the liquid cool off. I shampoo my hair as usual, and then I just rinse it with this water, let it be there for a couple of minutes, and you can either leave it on or you can rinse it with water at the end. It's up to you. You can try both versions, and people are different. If you leave it on, you might find out your hair might be a bit oily afterwards. Maybe you find out it's completely fine, so you need to find out which version really suits you. And Comfrey, it's also wonderful garden fertilizer. But if you've got plenty in your garden, why don't you try something, some beauty therapy and procedures. So quick tip from me, have a little go, and let me know in the comments below, how did you find it? How was your hair afterwards? I'm really keen to know, and let me know another combination. I just went to the garden and pick up what I've seen, and if you use something different and your hair are really wonderful afterwards, share this with everyone, and let's have nice, clean and shiny hair. Now I'm gonna pour boiling water over it and let it steep for some time. And this is the final result. And I'm gonna wash and rinse my hair now. My hair is still drying, but this is what it looks like after natural comfrey rinse. Let me know, are you gonna try it yourself? I am curious to know. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now if you haven't done so, share with your friends and family, spread some love, leave me some comments. Thank you so much for watching. Stay amazing, from my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.